Off to explore another day. It is 6:30 in the morning. I believe this is Thursday. Quite a contrast from last night. I think I'm going to rent a scooter today or something just to try it out, just to get around. My feet are a little sore. I have blisters and I'm kind of walking funny. But well worth it to explore the place. Oh, this place is open again. I'm not coming back here though. I just had coffee at that place yesterday, and the coffee was, it woke me up. But damn, the guy there didn't know how to smile. He was more German than he was Italian. Typical rubbish all over the damn place. Looks like the sun is starting to peek out, and hopefully we'll have a great day today.